Good morning, children. In yesterday's class, I asked you to see the picture and ask the questions. Many of you were trying to ask the questions using the words WH words like what, where, when, why, who, how. Using these words, you were trying to make the question. Though it was a difficult task, you have given me nice answers. Very good. But today, in the same manner, instead of using these WH words, we are going to use do or does. Do or does. See, for this what you have to do, before I explain you how to use do or does, you should open your English textbook, page number same 20, Ben's Christmas Wish, title page, where the title is given, that page you open. Now I will ask the questions, you should tell me the answer as we did for the earlier class. What is the color of the car? The color of the car is red color. Who is making the snowman? Ben is making the snowman. Why is he making the snowman? Because it is the Christmas festival. Where is the car? The car is near the tree. So, how is Ben? Ben is very happy. Why Ben is making? So, if I see this one picture, so many questions I am able to question you and you are able to answer. But what is the difference between this? You making questions with do and does and with WH words like who, where, why, what, when, these words. These question words, they give us answers about the place. Where means it gives us the answer about the place. What means about what they are describing, they will tell us. Which means it differentiates about what it is describing. When means it tells us about the time. Why means it tells us about the reason. These are about the how means same reason it will tell us. But here this do and does also gives us the answer, but most of the answers will be yes or no answers. Yes or no answers we will get. So, you might be thinking when we should use do and when we should use does. So, questions and some answers. All of you look at the board while explaining. You listen carefully, and even in the PDF document also I will send this one. I will send the question and the answer. Before, first I will be reading and I will be explaining you. Afterwards, what is common and in all this, I will let us find out what is common in both. Okay. So here, do they like to draw? Means what is the answer? Just now I was telling you, if the questions are beginning with do or does, they begin with, the answer will be in yes or no answer. So, do they like to draw means yes, they like to draw. Do they like to paint? No, they don't like to play. Does she have a dog? No, she doesn't have a dog. Same question. This is negative answer, no answer. So, does she have a dog? And means yes, she has a dog. So, here what is happening here? When you are using do or does, we are getting yes or no answers. One more example we will see now. Do you like chocolates? Yes, I like chocolates. Yes, I like chocolates. Now, do you speak English? Yes, I speak English. Do you have a pet? No. Or yes, I have a pet. Does he go to work? Yes, he goes to work. Does your phone has internet connection? Yes, it has internet connection. Does Rahul play cricket? Yes, Rahul plays cricket. So here one thing you should remember, children, when we are using, when we should use do and when we should use does. If the subject part is I, you, we, they, then we should use do. Do goes with I, you, we and they. Using these words, we will use the do word, question word. When do you like to play cricket? There you is there. Do they go to office? Yes, they go to office. Next one, does goes with he, she and it. See here, does your phone has internet connection? So what did I say the answer? Yes. Yes, my phone has. Instead of phone, we are using it. Yes, it has internet connection. Yes, it has internet connection. Does he go to work? Yes, he goes to work. So here whenever does is there, you should use the, if it is go, goes, come, comes, eat, eats, beat, beats. If does is there, the verb will change into S form. Go means go, goes, eat, eats, beat, beats, comb, combs, play, plays. So like that the verb will change into S form. Understand all of you? So what here, what they are asking? Does he go to work means yes, he goes to work. And does your phone has internet connection means yes, it has internet connection. Does she have a dog means no, she doesn't have a dog. So here what is that, what you have to remember here? If do is there, we have to use question words goes with I, you, we and they. And does goes with he, she and it. So if you want to say the sentence, he go to school. He doesn't go to school. She plays cricket. She doesn't play cricket. The bird is flying. It doesn't fly. Means when you are using these words as the pronouns as the subject, he, she and it, in that case you have to use doesn't. For other words you have to use do. Only this point you remember. When you are making the question with the does, then in the answer the verb changes to S form. Like go, go. Just now I was telling you, write, writes, eat, eats, play, plays, bite, bites. So in the answer it changes to go, S form it will change. Understood all of you? And when we will use these WH words, it tells us the place, about the time, about whom, why it is happening, where it is happening. All that information we will get. Whereas with do and does, we will get only the yes or no answers. And sometimes it is very simple to make this do or does questions. Like I will show you one example. Just now I was telling you that do always goes with I, you, we and they. Very simple children, in a very simple way I am telling you. There are n number of examples, but what you have to remember is do always goes with I, you, we and they. Whereas does always goes with he, she or it. And if the question is in the does, if does comes in the question, in the answer the verb we should change into S form. Understand all of you? This is about making the questions using do or does. Now next comes our blends. SM, ST and SW. As it was already told you, S is a consonant, M is a consonant, T is a consonant, and W is also a consonant. So what are these blends? Already we have discussed earlier. Blend is nothing but two consonants together. The sound of one consonant and the sound of another consonant together, if we make one sound, then that is called as a blend. So here S sounds S and M sounds as M. S, T sounds as T. S sounds as S, W sounds as W. So here using these two letters S and M together we will get the sound as M, St, Sw. So you will be having the letter cards. Using those letter cards you have to make the words. So before we make the words whichever you know with the sound, with the beginning sound of with SM, ST and SW. Can anyone tell me with words beginning with SM? If anything we are burning, what we will get? It is the smoke. It is the smoke. If anyone is very beautiful, what will you say? It is smart. It is smart. If anyone says you look so beautiful, then how will be your face? Will smile. It is SM, smile. How is the fur of the teddy bear? It is very smooth and soft. So here is a list of SM words. Again ST words. What are the things we find in the sky night time? Star, start, stop, stump, stick. Okay. So these are the words beginning with the ST. And if we come to the SW, sweet, sweat, swing, next switch. So like that you will get so many words. Using the letter cards, whatever you are, the letter cards, which letter cards I will tell you in the virtual class. Those letter cards you have to keep ready, and using those letter cards you have to make the words beginning with SM, ST and SW. Understand all of you? See, making questions, it is a difficult task. Don't take it. Just concentrate on do and does. Do always goes with I, we, you and they. And does always goes with she, he and it. When does comes in the question word, the verb will change. The action word will take the S form. Like eat, eats, go, goes, move, moves, climb, climbs. Like that the answer you have to write down. Understand all of you? Now all of you open your English workbooks, page number 23, you open all of you. Write down the date here and more questions. See here it is very simple ma. Match the questions with their answers. Here the questions are given and here answers are given. The correct answer. When do you go to the beach? See the correct option and match it. That's it. Next one. Write questions for the given answers. Yes, I have a younger brother. Yes, I. If I is there, which question word we should use? Do you will use or does you will use? Yes, if I is there. If I is there, what you have to use the question word? Do you have a younger brother? Yes, I have a younger brother. No, I don't know how to swim. No, again I. Do you know to swim? Means no, I don't know to swim. So if I is there, you have to use do, or you, or we, or they. If these words are there in the answer, you have to use do. If and does, when you will use, when in the answer if you are having yes forms like he eats, I likes, she leaves. If in such case you have to use does in the question. Look at the picture and write two questions about it. Here the school picture is given. Using do one question you write down. Using does one question you write down. Like, do you go to school? Does the school has a playground? Like that you have to make the questions. Now next one is write down the date here again, making words with SM and ST. So here already SM, ST, ST or SM. You have to see the letters and you have to fill in the blanks with this blend. Next one is fill in the table with two new words that begin with ST, SM and SW. With ST, what are the new words you can frame apart from this? With SM, with SW, you have to fill in this box. And the last one is make one sentence each with words that begin with the letters ST and SM. Using the ST and SM words, you have to make one sentence. That's what you have to do for this exercise. Already we have completed block 3. Once again, even in the virtual class, many of you are saying I have completed, I have completed. It doesn't mean that you did not complete, but it is only to revise. This is for the people, those who are not having books at the time in the month of April. For their sake, we are revising this. If you have done it, very good. If you have not done, you complete it and recheck the answers. Thank you children. Thank you. Have a good day.